everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. This is very easy to make beef stew recipe in Crock Pot. Please try it and you're going to like it. And this is simple and easy recipe. Beef stew recipe in Crock Pot. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious recipe for working people. I'm going to make a beef stew and I will be making in Crock Pot. I'm going to use 2 celery stack, 1 tomato, 1 potato, 1 onion, green chili, 3 carrots. We're going to peel it, cut it into small chunks and wash it with cold water. Spices from masala dabba. Also, I'm going to use non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup water. You can use more water if you need running gravy, and olive oil. You can use fresh ginger, fresh garlic. I'm using my 3G paste. How to make 3G paste? I have a video posted on my channel. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Then I have a beef stew. This is 4.5 pounds, and I'm going to take 2.5 pounds. And let's start making our delicious beef stew in Crock Pot. Beef is washed with cold water and the water is drained. Celery stack, onion, carrots, tomato, potatoes, green chili cut into small pieces. Get the mixing bowl. And now we're going to marinate the beef. 2 teaspoons ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Salt, 1 teaspoon. I'm using pink salt. You can use any salt. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. We're going to mix it well. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add beef. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. We're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The longer the better, but I'll do marinate for 2 hours. Beef is marinated for 2 hours and we have our crock pot ready. Open it. Bring all vegetables. We added 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon more. So salt is always to taste. Half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin powder. Give a good mix. All the vegetables are nicely combined. Add beef. This is very easy and simple recipe. Please try it. Water, but just according to your taste. 1 cup. After adding the water, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, place the cover and lock it. Turn it on and we're going to start the mode. We're going to keep it on high for 4 hours. And let's start cooking. Now we don't have to do anything. It's exactly 4 hours. The beef stew is cooking in crock pot. Now we're going to open it. Mix it. This is very easy recipe. The beef stew in crock pot. The carrots are nice and firm, and if we check the beef, nicely cut through, very nice and tender. Potatoes, if we check the potatoes, nice and firm. So as you see, the meat is nicely cooked. I'm going to cover with the lid again, and now this time we're going to start 1 hour. So 1 hour we're going to do it, and it will be all done in 1 hour. Another hour on crock pot. I'll turn it off and I'll open it. This is so easy to make and so simple. Beef stew is all done. Look at this, very delicious. I have my serving bowl ready, and I'm going to dish out. This is very easy to make beef stew recipe in crock pot. Please try it, and you're going to like it. You don't have to sit, and this is simple and easy recipe. Super yum. So as you've seen it, it's so easy to make it. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. This is delicious beef stew recipe in crock pot. It's very tasty and very easy to make.